Hello, this is Paul Duncan, also known as Mr. Moderator, and welcome to Everything in Moderation. Today's topic is what makes a good moderator. Being a moderator is subjective, and I'm giving you my perspective. Many of the things that I'm going to tell you will depend upon the circumstances. Some days they'll work, and some days they won't. And sometimes you just have to go with the flow. There's also a big difference between being a moderator for a content creator and being a moderator for a company, which we'll cover more in an upcoming episode called You Have a Wrench, Now What? Knowing the content creator is helpful. By the time you've been made a moderator, hopefully you've been on the stream with the content creator and have an idea of their flow. One helpful requirement is to be able to read the room. You know what typically goes on and what happens on the stream. You need to be able to know when something intense is being discussed or if a specific subject is being focused on and help keep people on track. You want to avoid going off and starting to post things in the stream that will distract the content creator and the people watching, getting them squirreled and going off in another direction, such as talking or asking questions about a new camera when the topic is self-improvement, or coming in late and announcing you're late and then telling everybody you're late because you had a doctor's appointment. It has nothing to do with the stream. It doesn't belong. Keep that out of the stream. People are going to follow your example. As a moderator, you are the welcome committee, and you need to be flexible because things will happen. Sooner or later, things are going to go sideways. It's not a matter of if it's going to happen, but when it's going to happen. As we say, live happens, and you need to be able to go with the flow, adapt, and be as helpful as you possibly can. For example, the content creator's stream may drop. They may have their mic muted or their camera may freeze. You need to be able to work with the situation. If the stream drops, the content creator will likely try to recover the current stream or start a new stream, and you can post that link back into the old stream and help direct people. If other issues are going on, you can let people know it's being worked on and help keep them engaged so that they don't leave the channel. Just be ready to go with the flow. It would be best if you also remain neutral. This is not the place for your opinions. And again, it depends on what's being said, what's going on, and the nature of the stream. But as a moderator, you want to maintain objectivity. As a moderator, you are setting an example for the room. If you start constantly talking in chat, it's going to make other people feel that they can't speak, so you don't want to do that. Ask open-ended questions that cannot be answered with yes or no. This helps to get people involved. Sometimes you will be answering questions, but you don't want to be the main person doing all the typing. The content creator is doing all the talking. You're just there to help guide the boat along and help the people feel comfortable. Ask questions and be interactive. Provide links as needed, but don't be the dominator of the chat. And think about what you're typing. Ask yourself, is it providing a benefit to the stream? Only talk about off-the-wall stuff if that's the nature of the stream. Read the room. Realize these guidelines will differ for every stream you're in, depending on the content creator and the circumstances. But as a moderator, remember to be a contributor to the stream and not a detractor. I hope this has been helpful. Please remember to post any questions or comments down below in the comment section. Happy moderating, and I'll see you on the next episode.